Hello. Hi. Good evening.
Evening.
Yes, good evening. Welcome to my class. Can you hear and see me clearly?
Yes, I can hear and I can
That's
see you.
that's great. Is this Alma?
Yes.
Oh, nice to meet you today, Alma.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, how are you doing today?
Oh, I went to beach.
Oh, you went to the beach. Wow, that's good. Did you enjoy? Yeah,
Yes.
wow, that's nice. Okay, I can see here you chose World Tour Belgium. Wow, this is great. All right, so today's lesson again is World Tour, and you have chosen Belgium. So,
Yes.
and okay, the first activity is about sightseeing spot. Okay, so please look at number one. All
Okay.
right, so we have number one, mannequin piece. Let's listen if it's the correct pronunciation. So we will do first the warm up. Okay, please tell me something about this picture. So you have 30 seconds to describe it. Okay, are you ready?
It's okay.
Yes, please start. Okay, what can you see in this picture? Mhm.
What?
What can you see in this picture? Yep,
Okay.
please describe anything you can see in this picture.
And I can see
Hmm.
uh, 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 I can see the mannequin piece
Oh, the mannequin piece. Yes.
and
All
walls
right. Hmm. And
and
also,
walls.
oh, the wall.
Wo-
You said walls?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Yes, very good. Okay, so we're done with the warm up. Now
Um,
let's move to listening and comprehension, okay? Okay, please check the directions.
okay.
All right, are you done? So,
Yeah.
okay, I will play the audio now. Please listen carefully, okay? All right, so it starts now.
Mannequin piss. The figure of a little boy urinating is named the oldest citizen of Brussels. He dates back to 1388,
Oh.
but the present statue was made in 1619.
Mm-hmm.
He has been stolen several times.
Wow.
The figure is famous for being dressed in costume.
Okay, did you understand that? Mm. Uh, can you hear me, Alma? All right. Okay, let's proceed to the
Okay.
question. Okay, let's proceed to the question. Please check the direction.
Okay.
All right, so now let me read the question for you. So when was the mannequin piece first made? Is it A 1619, B 1388, or C
My
2021? What is your answer?
my answer is letter B.
Letter
Letter
B is correct. 1388. Very good. Okay, so now please open the answer and check. And as you can see, the clue was the sentence in red. Okay? So now let's read out the clue line. Please repeat after me. Okay? All right. So he dates back to 1388, but the present statue was made in 1619. Please read the clue line.
Okay. He dates back to under 380, but the present statues were made in 1690.
Yes, okay, very good. Now please look at number two. Okay, the atomium. Okay, so let's do the warm up again. Please tell me something about this picture. You have again 30 seconds to describe it. Are you ready?
Okay.
All right.
Uh,
Mm-hmm.
the Belgian frog
Mm-hmm.
and
Belgian Pragues. Okay.
flower, jungle, and some statues.
Oh, flowers. Yes, jungle. Wow, very fast. And then statues. Very good. That was great. Okay, so now we will listen to the audio, okay? All right,
Okay.
so let's have listening and comprehension. Here we go.
The Atomium. The Atomium is a 102-meter high building made of 9 giant steel balls connected with thin tubes, designed to look like an iron unit cell blown up to 165 billion times its size. It was built for Brussels' 1958 World's Fair and is now used as a museum.
Museum. Okay, now let's answer the question. Okay, so I will read the question
Okay.
for you. What was the atomium designed to look like? Is it A, giant steel balls, B, a museum, or C, an iron unit cell? What is your answer?
Iron unit cell.
Yes, letter C, very good. Okay, so now please open the answer and check. And as you can see, the clue was the sentence in red, right? So now let's read out the clue line. Please repeat after me, okay?
Okay.
All right. The Atomium is a 102-meter high building made of 9 giant steel balls connected with thin tubes designed to look like an iron unit cell blown up to 165 billion times its size. Please read.
Okay. The Atomium is a 102-meter high building made of 9 steel balls connected to its tubes, designed to look like an iron unit cell but up in 165 billion times its size.
Okay. All right. Very good. Okay. So now please look at short discussion. Please read the directions.
Choose your favorite topic between A and B and talk freely with your teacher.
That's right. So which one do you want to talk about? Is it A or B?
Um, letter B.
Letter B. Okay then. Please tell me about letter B. What is your answer to letter B?
And Nara, 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 大仏ってなんていうの？
Hmm. What? How do you call your famous statue in your country?
奈良大仏。
Nara?
奈良大仏。
Daibus? Okay. I'm not sure if it's correct spelling. Daibus. Nara.
ディグブ、
Di
ディグブ、
Digubus. Digubus. Mm-hmm. Digubus.
奈良ブッダ。
Mm-hmm. So you have a lot. Digubus. You have so many famous statues in your country. Wow. I'm not sure if that is the right spelling. Is it
Yes.
the right Nara Digubus? Is it right? It's my first time to
Yes,
hear.
right.
Okay, very good. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much for sharing that. All right, so now let's move to page number 3. We will listen to food name. Okay. All right, so after
Okay.
that, I will read its explanation. So please repeat after me once by sentence. Let's start with number 1. Please listen.
Frites.
Frites. Okay, let us read together. Frites. These are almost the national food of Belgium and are never called French fries. Please read. Please read the
It
sentence. Okay.
national food on Belgium are
Mhm.
you never called flies.
All right. They are cooked in two-step frying process to keep the inner soft and the outer crunchy. Okay, please read.
Okay. The things are almost big food version and never cooked in short. They are cooked in a two-step layering
Mm-hmm.
to keep the inner soft and other crunchies.
Very good. Okay, so now which food do you think is number one? Look at the
Num-
pictures.
Number one
Yeah,
is letter C.
letter C. Very good. That's right. Yes, that is frites. It looks like French fries, right? But
Okay.
they never call it French fries. All right, let's move to number two. Please listen to number two's audio. Here we go.
Gaufre.
Gofra. Okay, Gofra is a Belgian waffles. Mhm. Have deep grooves so they can hold more. Please read.
Persian waffle have a deep grooves so they can hold more.
Okay, they are larger and crispier than any other waffles and have often whipped cream, Nutella, or fresh fruit top.
They are longer and crispier than other waffles, and often with cream, Nutella, or sliced fruit on top.
All right, so look at the picture again. So which one do you think is Gofra? Number two. What
Let
picture?
not the letter A.
Letter A. Very good. That is correct. Yes. All right. Then let's try to listen again to the audio of number three. Please listen carefully. Here we go.
Carbonade flamande.
Carbonade flamand. Okay. Did you hear that?
Okay.
Okay, now let's read the meaning of carbonade flamand. This is a Belgian beef stew similar to the French beef bourguignon, bourguignon, but made with beer instead of red wine. Also, it's thought of as a national dish. Please read carbonade flamand.
Carbonate flamat.
Mhm.
This is a Belgian beef stew similar to the French beef bourguignon, but made with beer instead of a red wine.
Okay.
Also, as
National?
okay, also it's true of us a national dish.
Yes, very good. So, of course, it's letter B, right? It's
Yes.
letter B. Yes, okay. So, which one is the most delicious to you among the
I like
three? You like what?
number two,
Um,
golfa.
oh, the cobra. Yes, and that is picture A, right? Oh, so you like
Yes.
this one. Okay, it's like a waffle. We have that waffle as well. Do you have waffle also in your country? Waffle?
Yes.
Yes, yeah, I like that too. It's so nice. Yeah.